Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI for Beginners with Python series. So far we have learned how to handle and visualize data using NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. But before any AI model can learn, the data must be clean, consistent and normalized. In this video, we learn data preprocessing, the essential step where raw data becomes AI ready. Let's get started. We will create a file called episode5.py and then import our libraries. Episode5.py, importing the libraries. We'll use Pandas for cleaning data and scikit-learn's pre-processing tools for encoding and normalization. Let's simulate a messy dataset like the ones you often get in real AI projects. I created a simple dataset and then converted it into data frame using Pandas. Notice there are missing values in age and text data like gender and country. AI models can't handle this directly, so we must pre-process it. Step 1. Fix or fill missing values. You can remove missing values or fit it with averages or most common values. Let's check for missing values. For that I'm gonna write print df.isNull function and then .sum function. We are now going to fill missing numeric data with mean data. Let's select our columns, for example age and salary. So wherever there is a missing value or missing numeric data, we are going to replace it with the mean data. Let's do the same for salary. For country, we are going to fill missing categorical data with mode. Let's print our dataset after handling all these missing values. You can see the original data frame and then we printed missing values. After handling missing values, we got a new data frame. Step 2. Convert text data into numbers because AI models understand only numerical values. There are two methods, label encoding for simple categories and one-hot encoding for multiple class categories. As discussed, method 1 is label encoding. We will use label encoder function for the same. First, let's create a variable label encoder function. Let's access the column gender. Fit transform function, and inside the fit transform function we are going to pass it and print that to the screen. With this, female becomes 0 and male becomes 1. Simple numeric encoding. Method 2 was one-hot encoding for multi-class categories. For that, I'm gonna write df equal to pd dot get dummies and access the column country. One hot encoding separates columns from each country, avoiding bias. Drop first equal to true prevents dummy variable trap, a common AI pre-processing mistake. Let's save and run this. We first printed our data frame after handling missing values, then used label encoding, which gave us 0 and 1 value for column gender, and then used one hot encoding for the column country, which gave us country India and country USA, and then true or false values. Step 3. Normalize numeric data so that large numbers don't dominate smaller ones. AI models perform better when all features are on a similar scale. For normalization, we select numeric columns, age and salary, then applied min-max scalar and printed it to the screen. This transforms all numbers between 0 and 1, perfect for neural networks and gradient-based algorithms. For standardization or z-score scaling, we used standard scalar. Standardization makes features have a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Great for algorithms like SVMs or logistic regression. Let's see our output. And this is what we got as our output. Let's prepare a mini dataset that could actually be used by an AI model. We have a program with our libraries dataset converted into a data frame. Then we handled our missing values and normalized our numeric data. For the final step, we are going to select final cleaned and encoded data. So let's copy this data frame into a data frame called df final. df scaled dot copy. We are going to print that to the screen. Now let's simulate input x and output y. So we are going to type x equal to df final dot drop gender and type access equal 1, and y will be our output df final gender. So we got our data frame, and now x and y are fully numeric and clean. This is exactly the format AI models expect when you train them. And that's it for today's video. You have learned how to handle missing values, encode text data, and normalize features. 3 essential steps before training any AI model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which pre-processing method did you find the most useful, filling, encoding, or scaling.